Hello. This is Diana from the Capawesome team, and today I will be recording a video to explain how to publish, how to deploy one of your native builds into the Apple Store. In our previous videos, we saw how to get started with Capawesome Cloud, how to create your first application, how to create your builds, for the different platforms, how to create automations. We saw many features to inside Capawesome Cloud. And now I will create some videos explaining how to configure everything to automatically deploy, or manually, as you wish, of course, your builds into the native stores. This video will be for iOS, but we will also record another one for Android. So we will see how to set up App Store Connect Destination in Capawesome Cloud. We will see how to configure the credentials and how to link a build to this deployment destination so the file is automatically uploaded into TestFlight. Let's start. So this is Capawesome Cloud. This is the application I have been using for all our testings. So we will find the store destinations option here. If we go here, we will be able to create a store destination for Android or for iOS, and we will need to set all these configurations. So I already created one. Let's see how I did it. So first you need to select a name, the platform iOS, of course. Then you have two different options for the authentication method. You could use Apple ID and password or API key. This one is recommended, but it's up to you. So now you have to get all this information for your account, but the good news is that all this is explained in the documentation. So let me show you where you can find this. If you go to Capawesome.io website and you go to App Store Publishing, you will find the destinations and you will go to App Store. So here you have all the different options I mentioned and all the steps required to get all this information that you need. I know it can be a little bit confusing, but here I am to help you. So let's see where to get all this information. Obtaining the credentials, we will follow this. So to get your team ID, you need to sign in to your Apple developer account and go to membership details. And this is your team ID. You will copy it here. Okay, so to get your key, you need to sign in to App Store Connect, navigate to User and Access, and select the Integrations tab. So let's do this, Integrations. And here you have to create a new team key and enter the name for the key and select the app manager as the access level. So I already have it, but you will put the name and select the app manager. And after you generate this key, you can copy the issuer ID, the key ID, and download the key. You can only download this once, so store it securely. So as you can see, this is the issuer ID, the key ID, and I already downloaded this, but you will have to download it. And then that's all. So you will go again here in the store destination from Capawesome Cloud, enter all the details and upload the key here. And that's all. You will save this and you will have your destination for iOS ready to use. So after all this configuration that you only need to do it once, we are ready to create a build and deploy it to this destination. So let's see how to do it. If we go to the builds, you can either create a new build or select an existing build and go to the deployment tabs and just create a new deployment. For example, here I will select a new store destination. This is the one I created, and you just click create. That's what I did here. And you will see all the logs of your deployment, like what is happening, and if everything went well, you will see this message: successfully uploaded package to App Store Connect. So then if you go to your Store Connect, you will see in Apps, in the TestFlight tab, that there's a new build uploaded. So this was uploaded by Capawesome Cloud, just as I showed you here. And if you want to go one step further, you could even create an automation for this. We created another video explaining how to build automations. Make sure to check it out. But I want to quickly show you how you could create an automation that, let's edit this one, that every time, for example, this is that every time I push to the main branch, we will create a new build. And you could also check here and say, okay, I also want to deploy this, and the destination will be this one. So if you save this, each time you push a commit to the main branch, a new build will be created with this environment, with this certificate, and it also will be deployed to this destination. That's cool, right? We could automate all this process and have your new binary ready in the App Store. So that was all for this video. I hope it was clear and it made your life easier when submitting your binaries to the App Store Connect. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye bye.